Girl, let's get into this wig transformation, honey, because right now, girl, I don't know what this wig is giving, but it is not giving the video that you guys saw at the beginning. So yeah, girl, we're gonna get into it. So of course I'm gonna start off by flat ironing the hair just to see, you know, exactly what I'm working with. Now this bob wig did come pre-cut as well as pre-colored, so this is going to be a really quick, simple install that of course doesn't require a lot of skills. Oh, and big shout out to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video. So yeah, girl, let's get into it. Oh, and by the way, in case you are wondering, this is going to be a glueless install, and I did not bleach the knots on this wig because, I mean, it wasn't worth doing. Like, it's not a purpose of bleaching knots on a bob wig with bangs. So yeah, girl, just to throw that out there, this is definitely a simple, easy wig install. Okay, girl, so like I mentioned earlier, this wig does come cut. So this is a bob with a bang. Now, one thing I do want to mention about the color on this wig. So when I originally got this wig in the mail, it was more like a brighter red. It definitely wasn't this color. It was more on the bright side. But once I washed the hair, this is the color that I got. Honestly, I prefer this color over that brighter red color because this is more like a color that you really can wear all year round, but it's definitely perfect for like the fall and winter. So I was able to finally find the bang in this wig, and it is on the long side. So I'm going to go ahead and start trimming off some of the length off the bang and just starting with the least amount first, because of course if you cut too much you can't add, you know, hair of course to the hair that you cut too much off basically. So yeah, that's why I'm just going to start off cutting a little bit at a time and just getting the length to my liking. So yeah, girl. Oh, and by the way, because this wig is pre-color, I'm not having any issues with like the hair bleeding or the hair being dry. It is still pretty soft for the most part, and I like that there's a lot of density to this wig. So this wig is pretty full. Yeah, girl, at this point, I definitely transformed this wig, and this is pretty much the final look. I am going back in the hair and just tweaking some parts, especially like with the bang, just making sure it's even and nothing is in my eye, of course, and just cutting a little bit of layers on the side to kind of shape my face with this wig. So yeah, girl, this is pretty much the final look. I have no complaints. I love this color, and I love that it's not transferring on this white shirt. So I'll make sure I have all the purchasing information on this wig from Nadula hair below in the description bar. And thank you so much for watching today's video. Bye, girls.